This young guy has a hobby. He likes to visit old, run-down warehouses that are about to close. One day, he went to an old factory site. On the ground, under a pile of broken wooden planks, lay something covered in dust. He pulled it out. It was badly rusted and warped in several places. The security guard said it had been sitting there for at least 20 years, and no one knew what it was used for. Without a second thought, the guy hoisted it onto his shoulder and took it home. When he got home, his mom nagged him. "You're bringing back junk again." He didn't explain. He locked himself out on the balcony and worked on it for 2 full days. When he finally finished and brought it out, it was as shiny as new, yet it had that solid, heavy feel that only old things have. The neighbors heard about it and came over to see. After one look, they said, "Man, your skills are incredible." Restoration isn't really hard or easy. It just requires patience, watching him work on it bit by bit. And that final reveal is so satisfying. If you enjoy this kind of video, remember to hit like.